Gemstone Iris Agate. Iris agate is an iridescent agate that exhibits a spectrum of colors when thinly sliced and viewed under a light. It was named after the word iris, meaning a rainbow of colors. Iris agate can be found in nearly any type of agate, thus it is found all over the world. When not viewed under the light, iris agate simply looks like any typical light grey agate with a brown outer ring. This causes a large amount of iris agates to go undetected due to the lack of awareness by the seller, and larger thicker pieces being processed, which cannot exhibit the iris effect. Iris agate is a transformative crystal that can help you reflect upon yourself, ultimately providing clarity within. The energies are extremely potent and can benefit your entire chakra system, but resonates mainly with the crown, third eye and throat chakras. There are vibrations that operate on higher frequencies that iris agate is capable of helping to transmit in your own physical existence. This is mainly achieved through deep meditation, which engages the crown chakra and connects it to spiritual energies beyond this plane. The third eye is capable of receiving significant imagery through lucid dreaming, astral projection and other forms of dream work. These ideas and energies eventually become a vocal part of your reality and may soon be a part of a newfound goal or desire that motivates and excites your very being. Iris agate is the perfect size to place on your physical body during a meditation session. Try placing it directly on your third eye, allowing the high vibrations of this stone to work their way through your physical and spiritual being. When solar wind interacts with the Earth's magnetosphere, spectacular multicolor light shows occur. This phenomenon is referred to as an aurora borealis in the northern hemisphere and an aurora australis in the southern hemisphere.
Pond 5.